Welcome to SurePass, where we share for you to learn and succeed. In this video, we will be discussing special complex crime. What is special complex crime? Special complex crime is composed of two or more crimes that the law treats as a single, indivisible, and unique offense for being the product of a single criminal impulse. Dito, dalawang crime talaga ang ginawa niya pero under sa batas natin, tinuturing itong isang krimen lang. Special complex crime, or more particularly, a composite crime, has its own definition and special penalty in the revised penal code. How to prove special complex crime? In a special complex crime, the prosecution must prove each of the component offenses with the same precision that will be necessary if they were made the subject of a separate complaints. Diba sabi natin kanina sa special complex crime, dalawang crime ito na pinag-isa ng batas natin. Bago siya makonvict sa special complex crime, dapat ma-prove natin yung mga elements ng bawat crime na yon. Example, kung ang nagawa ng akusado ay robbery with homicide, dapat ma-prove natin yung robbery at homicide. The following are some special complex crime: robbery with homicide, robbery with rape, robbery with serious physical injuries, kidnapping with rape, kidnapping with serious physical injuries, kidnapping with homicide, kidnapping with murder, and rape with homicide. Check nyo na lang yung mga previous videos natin. Noong diniscuss natin ang Criminal Law Book 2, na-discuss na po yung mga ibang crime na nabanggit natin. Ano naman ang pinagkaiba ng complex crime at special complex crime? As to definition, in complex crime, there is complex crime when a single act constitutes two or more grave or less grave felonies, or when an offense is a necessary means for committing the other. Dito, single act na nag-produce ng grave or less grave felonies, o two crimes na yung isa ay necessary para magawa yung isa. On the other hand, special complex crime, it is composed of two or more crimes that the law treats as a single, indivisible, and unique offense for being the product of a single criminal impulse. Dito naman, two or more crimes talaga siya, pero dahil sa batas natin, pinag-isa na lang sila. Dapat nasa batas mismo na pinagsama sila. As to penalty, sa complex crime, ang penalty na i-impose ay yung most serious crime. So tignan natin sa mga crimes na nagawa niya kung alin ang mas serious, yun ang ipapataw na penalty. On the other hand, special complex crime, the specific penalty provided by law, yun ang ipapataw doon sa akusado. Sabi natin kanina, dapat batas mismo ang nag-combine sa crimes na yon. Necessarily, nabanggit din doon yung penalty. I'll give you an example. Ito ang sabi ng revised penal code natin regarding rape with homicide. Articles 266B, penalties. Rape under paragraph 1 of the next preceding article shall be punished by reclusion perpetua when by reason or on occasion of rape, homicide is committed. The penalty shall be death. Thus, yung rape by homicide, may katumbas itong penalty na death or reclusion perpetua or life imprisonment since wala nang death penalty. As to the composition of offenses, sa complex crime, the combination of the offenses is not specified but generalized, that is, grave or less grave, or one offense being the necessary means to commit the other. Walang specific crimes na involved sa complex crime. On the other hand, sa special complex crimes, the composition of the offenses in the composite crime is fixed by law. Composition or crimes na involved and yung penalty ay nasabi mismo sa batas. As to treatment of the light felony, in complex crime, a light felony that accompanies the commission of the complex or compound crime may be subject to a separate offense. On the other hand, in a special complex crime, a light felony that accompanies a composite crime is absorbed. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to share it and to subscribe.